spent 60 days using AI the wrong way. Not like experts. Not like YouTubers, like a real beginner, confused, overwhelmed, copying prompts, chasing tools. And here's the truth, no one says. Most people aren't failing at AI because it's hard. They're failing because they're using it exactly the way the internet tells them to. Let me show you what actually happened. When I started, I believed the hype. AI would save me hours, make me smarter, help me grow faster than everyone else everywhere I looked. Learn AI in 7 days, best prompts ever, 10 tools you need. So I did what most beginners do. I bookmarked dozens of AI tools, saved hundreds of prompts, jumped between ChatGPT image tools, video tools, and somehow I felt more behind than before. That's when I realized something felt off. Here's what using AI as a beginner actually looked like. I opened ChatGPT and didn't know what to ask. I copied prompts from videos and got generic answers. I tried AI tools that promised instant results and spent more time learning the tool than doing real work. The scariest part? AI wasn't saving time, it was stealing focus. I wasn't learning faster, I was consuming more. This sounds familiar? Pause for a second. Subscribe to Digital Compound, because this channel is about cutting through AI noise and using it the way it actually works, for beginners. Now let me tell you, the moment everything changed. Around day 30, I stopped chasing tools. I asked one simple question instead. What one problem do I want AI to help me with today? Not 10. Not everything. Just one. And suddenly, AI responses became useful. I stopped feeling overwhelmed. I actually remembered what I learned. I wasn't using AI like a shortcut anymore. I was using it like a thinking partner. That's when results started showing up. Here's the truth. After 60 days, AI doesn't replace effort. AI doesn't magically make you smart. AI doesn't work if you treat it like Google. AI works when you already have a goal. You ask better questions over time. You use fewer tools, not more. Most beginners quit AI because they expect results before clarity. And that's backwards. If I had to start again from zero, I'd do just 3 things. Use one AI tool for 30 days. Apply it to one real problem. Ignore every must-have AI tool video. AI isn't about learning everything. It's about learning what matters to you faster. If you're learning AI right now and feel confused, overwhelmed, or secretly behind, you're not alone. This channel exists for that exact phase. Subscribe to Digital Compound, because in the next video, I'm breaking down why most people quit AI too early and how to avoid it. Don't let AI become another thing you almost learned. See you in the next one.